The inspiration for this work is this intersection between built environment and nature and the friction that exists there and the miscommunications that can happen. I also think it's special to be in this context because there are so many people who come to Rice from outside of Houston, outside the Gulf Coast entirely, and a lot of my work is about this region. My folks grew up in Texas City, and seeing the spray trucks for spraying mosquitoes has been this constant lifelong thing. It's like a funny thing because it's normalized, but at the same time, maybe it's something I had to find a different solution for. A lot of my work is produced using a risograph printer, and that type of machine only has standardized colors. And when we first started using it, green was one of those colors we had. So that just kind of quickly got integrated into all my work, and now it's just something I always go to. It started as a constraint, but then it became something that I was this speaks to me. A huge part of the appeal with this project is the scale. Most of my work, especially with comics, that's a very intimate, small scale, so being able to work large really changes things. But I like the idea of using a big space to show something small. So it's a small microcosm blown up to make it more enveloping.